Will the chemicals damage my plants? At RedClean, we understand the importance of maintaining a clean and healthy environment. Our commitment to sustainability drives us to ensure that our products are practical and eco-friendly. Today, we want to address a common concern among our customers: the impact of cleaning chemicals on plants. Benz Lightning Cleanse, a plant-friendly option. One of our flagship products, Benz Lightning Cleanse, is specially formulated to balance cleaning power and plant safety. Its unique formula is designed to break down stubborn contaminants while minimising potential harm to nearby greenery. Benz Lightning Cleanse poses minimal risk to plants when used as directed, making it an excellent choice for residential and commercial applications. Algoclear Plus, Biocide DDAC 40%, the green algae buster. Biocide is a potent algae control solution that has gained attention for its effectiveness. When applied correctly, it can eliminate algae growth without causing harm to surrounding areas and vegetation. The key is proper application. Oversaturation can potentially affect nearby plants. Rest assured, our team at RedClean provides guidance on the responsible use of this product to ensure the safety of your green spaces. Safe Wash, keeping nature safe. Safe Wash is our answer to the need for a safe, eco-friendly cleaning solution. It's carefully formulated to be plant-friendly while delivering the cleaning power you expect from RedClean products. Safe Wash is an ideal choice for maintaining outdoor spaces where plants are presented. Its biodegradable and non-toxic composition ensures that it won't harm your garden or landscaping. Best practices for protecting plants. While our products are designed with plant safety in mind, it's essential to follow some of the best practices to ensure that your cleaning efforts are indeed plant-friendly. Dilution matters. We always follow the recommended dilution ratio for our products. Using them at full strength can increase the risk and harm of plants. Targeted application. When using Biocide, apply it directly to the algae or targeted area. Avoid overspraying onto plants to prevent unintended contact. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the treated area thoroughly with water after using any of our products. This step helps to remove any residual chemicals that might harm plants. Timing is crucial. Schedule your cleaning tasks when plants are less active or dormant. This reduces the chance of chemical exposures during the critical growth phases. Consult the experts. Consult RedClean for concerns about specific plants or delicate landscaping. We can provide tailored advice on protecting your greenery during cleaning procedures. At RedClean, our commitment to environmental responsibility extends beyond our product formulations. We're here to support you in making eco-conscious choices while maintaining cleanliness in your surroundings. In conclusion, our products, including Benz Lightning Cleanse, Biocide DDAC 40% Algoclear Plus and Safe Wash, are designed to minimise plant harm when used correctly. In conclusion, our products, including Benz Lightning Cleanse, Biocide DDAC 40% Algoclear Plus and Safe Wash, are designed to minimise plant harm when used correctly. By following our guidelines and best practices, you can ensure clean spaces without compromising the well-being of your greenery. Together, we can create a greener, cleaner tomorrow.